Take your seats. Today we will discuss on the matter mixed fractions. Mixed fractions of additions, mixed fractions of subtraction, and mixed fractions of multiplication by Vedic methods. In this lesson we will studying 4 Vedic sutras. The first Vedic sutra, that is Ekadikena Purvena. Eka Adhika means one more. Ekadikena Purvena means one more than the previous one. After that we are going for Antayora Dashakepi. Also when the sum of the digits is 10. After that we will go for and discuss about the Anurupena, proportionately. The lastly Adhyamadhyena, Antyamantyena, meaning is first by the first, last by the last. How it is applicable to the mixed fraction of multiplications. Especially we will follow the nearly 5 steps in the conventional method for the mixed fraction. Whenever we find the mixed fraction, we are converting to the improper fraction first. Then the second step, we are cancelling the numerator and denominator in case of multiplication. Third step, we are multiplying. Fourth, once again, whatever we got the result, we are verifying whether it is in the simplest terms or not. If it is so, then on the 5th step we are converting once again the improper fraction to the mixed fraction. That means usually in conventional method we are following 5 steps for the mixed fraction, but that is overruled by the Vedic mathematics sutras. Let us study first addition. Here is a problem: 3 integer 1 by 2 plus 2 integer 1 by 4 plus 5 integer 1 by 3. In conventional method, we are converting the integer part. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 2, that is 2 into 4 8 plus 1 9 by 4, 5 into 3 15 plus 1 16 by 3. After that we are taking the LCM of the 2 3 4, that is 12. 2 6 ja 4 3 ja 3 4 ja, that means 6 7 ja 42, 9 3 ja 27, 16 4 ja 64. We once again adding the is 42, 27, 64, that it becomes to 133 divided by the LCM 12. It will give you 11 integer 1 by 12. But by the Vedic method, we are separating the whole number 3, 2, 5 and fractional values 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. You are separating the whole number 3, 2, 5 followed by 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. The value of 3, 2, 5 is 10. You are considering the only LCM of the fractional 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. That LCM is, once again it is 12 only. 2 6 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 4 ja. 6 3 4 are the factors. The sum of 6 3 4 you will get 13 by 12. Once again, if you convert to the mixed fraction, you are getting one integer 1 by 12. That means whole number is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 integer 1 by 12. This is more easier than the converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction and doing the addition. Let us take the problem of subtraction, additive subtraction of mixed fraction. In this example, there are two additions, 5 integer 1 by 2 plus 3 integer 1 by 4, and one fraction is substitution, 2 integer 1 by 4. What is the value for the 5 integer 1 by 2? 5 to the 10 plus 11 by 2 you will get. The value for 2 integer 1 by 4 you will get 9 by 4. Value for 3 integer 1 by 4 you will get 13 by 4. If you substitute the LCM, you will get the LCM of 4. That means 2 2s are and 4 1s are 4 1s are. 11 2s are 22 minus 9 plus 30. The product will be 26 by 4. If you once again convert this improper fraction to the mixed fraction, you will get 6 integer 2 by 4 or otherwise 6 integer 1 by 2. By Vedic method, 5 minus 2 you will get 3, 3 plus 3 6, the whole value. If you substitute minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, there is left out is only half, 6 integer 1 by 2. In single line, you are arriving the answer for the additive subtraction mixed fractions. This is the mixed fraction, 4 integer 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 integer 1 by 2. In this example, we are applying the first sutra, that is called ekadikena purvena. See here, in the multiplicand and multiplier, there is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 becomes the product of 1. Whole number 1. That means because of this reason, you are applying ekadikena purvena. This is nothing but 4.5 multiplied by 4.5. In usually conventional method, we are converting 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 multiplied by 9 by 2. You will get the product of 81 by 4. Once again, you are converting the improper fraction to the mixed fraction. You are getting the result 20 integer 1 by 4. This is not required for the Vedic method application. If you are applying ekadikena purvena by observing the given multiplicand and multiplier, you are adding 1 to the whole value. 4 multiplied by 4 plus 1, that is 4 5s are 20, that is the whole value, and 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 4. By observing only 4 5s are 20, 1 by 4 is the answer. You may write in the single step rather than the 2 steps also. This is the even number mixed fraction. Now let us see the odd number mixed fraction.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, in the previous example, sir, to which number we have to add 1? Either the
only the whole value 4.
Sir, either the first 4 or the second 4.
Whatever the case may
Sir,
be.
if the numbers are different. If the numbers
I am referring that one in the later case.
So we have to add.
Adya Bantena, Anta Bantena, I am referring the other numbers in the whole value.
So we will add 1 to the previous number, no? First number.
First number or second number. In the multiplicand or the multiplier. Because in both the cases there is only same number. In the multiplicand also 4, multiplier also 4, and the fractional value remains 1 by 2, 1 by 2.
So Sutra says 1 more than previous one.
Because it being the full value, previous it is 4.
So sir, previously is first number, the
first number is 4.
Yes sir.
Ekadika of 4 is
5.
5 4s are
So
20.
that's why we have to add in the first number.
Yes. 4 5s are 20. That is the left part of your answer. To get the right part, only the fractional value. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2.
So if we have different fractions,
I am referring that too in the Antayora Dashikepi. Okay, this is of odd numbers. 7 integer 1 by 2 multiplied by 7 integer 1 by 2. This full value is also in both the cases 7. Fractional values 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Hence, you can directly do the things. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 7 ja 56. That is the left part of your answer. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, 1 by 4. We will do one more one. 10 integer 1 by 2 multiplied by 10 integer 1 by 2. If you do by the conventional method, it is, if you convert this 10 into 1 by 2, you will get 21 by 2 multiplied by 21 by 2. It becomes 441 by 4. If you substitute and convert to the mixed fraction, once again you are getting 110 1 by 4. If you do by the ekadikena purvena, one more than the previous. One more than the previous of 10 is 11. 11 10 how much you will get? 110 is the left part. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2? 1 by 4. Here is the number. Here 6 integer 1 by 4 multiplied by 6 integer 3 by 4. The multiplicand has only 0.25. For the multiplier it has 0.75. 25 plus 75 becomes also 1. For that reason we are applying here Antayora Dashakepi. This becomes, fractional figure becomes 1. If that is case and all other digits remain same, in the multiplicand also 6, multiplier also 6. If that is the case, along with the ekadikena purvena, we are applying the Antayora Dashakepi. Usually in the conventional method, we are converting this given number 6 integer 1 by 4, you will get 25 by 4. Here 6 integer 3 by 4, you will get 4. If you multiply 25 into 27, you will get 675. Divide by 4 into 4, you will get 16. 675 divided by 16. If you convert to the mixed fraction, you will get 42 integer 3 by 16. When you observe these things, 6 integer 1 by 4 multiplied by 6 integer 3 by 4, full value becomes same in the multiplier and multiplier, and the fractional value 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to 1. You follow only Antayor Dashakepi along with the Ekadikena. Along with Ekadikena means what is the one more than the previous one of 6? 7 into 6 is how much?
42.
Right, as it is in the left part. 1 into 3? 3. 4 into 4? 16. 42 integer 3 by 16 is the answer for 6 integer 1 by 4 multiplied by 6 integer 3 by 4.
So excuse me. So what is the difference in this example?
Earlier you took only the fraction of half of. Here it is 0.25, 0.75.
So what is the basic difference between Antayoga Dashakepi or Ekadikena Purvena?
Ekadikena Purvena, there you will get the only two fractions of half each. 0.5, 0.5. In this case, you are applying only the substitution of 1/4, 3/4 or 3/4, 1/4 like that.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, if we have 6 1 by 4 multiplied by 6 1 by 4, will that be calculated with Ekadina?
That is for the Anurupena, proportionately. Because the total becomes half once again, not full value.
So it not be the example of Ekadina Purvena.
It is not the Ekadikena Purvena.
Ekadina Purvena is applicable only when we have half as a fraction.
Fraction.
Okay.
Let us see this example. 8 integer 2 by 7 multiplied by 8 integer 5 by 7. If we are doing this by the conventional method, the product of the 8 integer 2 by 7, you will get 58 by 7 multiplied by 8 integer 5 by 7 will give you the result of 61 by 7. The result of 58 multiplied by 61 you will get 3538. 7 7 ja 49. If 3538 divided by 49 converted to the mixed fraction, you will get 72 integer 10 by 49. Instead of that, if you apply the Vedic formula Antayora Dashakepi, 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7 equal to 1. Because of that reason, Ekadikena of 8 is 9. 9 8 ja 72, 2 5 ja 10, 7 7 ja 49. You may get the result in one step or maximum 2 steps. As you are asking, if it is the fraction is only 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 4, Suchi, see here, 8 integer 1 by 4 multiplied by 8 integer 1 by 4. In this case, we are applying the Anurupena, because 0.25 plus 0.25 we are getting only the 0.5, not the whole value, full value. Hence, whenever you are calculating on the 0.4 or something like 2 by 5 like that, etc., proportionately, proportionate fraction to be considered for the whole value. Let us see how it operates the conventional method as well as the Vedic formula. When you convert it to 8 integer 1 by 4, you will get 33 by 4 multiplied by 33 by 4. Because in both the cases 8 integer 1 by 4 multiplied by 8 integer 1 by 4. 33 multiplied by 33, you will get the 1089 divided by 16. It will give the result 68 integer 1 by 16. By Vedic method, Anurupena, proportionately, you are doing 8 into 8, first whole value, full values, 8 into 8, 1 by 4 gives you the result of 1 by 2 into 8. In the earlier cases, what you are doing? Ekadikena. 1 you are adding, here you are adding half of whole value. That means half of 8 is 4. 4 you are adding to 64 to get the left part of your answer.
So we are multiplying half with 8 because 1 plus 4 plus 4 is half.
You are adding half of 8.
Half into 8 because 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 becomes half, not 1.
You are adding half because 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 it becomes
Half.
half. Because of that reason you are adding half of 8.
Okay.
In this example, 0.25 plus 25. That equal it becomes
Half.
half. Half means 1 by 2.
2.
That fraction of the whole value you are adding here.
If it comes any other fraction, then we will multiply.
That proportionate we have to add.
Excuse me, sir. So if we have 8 integer 1 by 2 into 8 integer 1 by 4, then
That means 3 by 4 you have to consider.
okay.
At that time 1 by 2 plus
3 by
1 by 4,
4
3 by
into
3 by 4 into 8. That means 6 to be added to the left part of the answer. And right part is remain same, because right part here 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 4 you will get 1 by 16. At that time 3 by you are getting something different, but proportionately you have to add. That is only for that reason only Anurupena means proportionately. Here is the odd number, 5 integer 1 by 4 multiplied by 5 integer 1 by 4. By the conventional method, 5 integer 1 by 4 will give the result of 21 by 4 multiplied by 21 by 4. The whole value becomes 441 by 16. If you convert this one, you will get 27 integer 9 by 16. In case of this one by the Vedic mathematics, Anurupena, As regards the left part of the full value, there is no difference. 5 5 is 25 you are getting. But half of 5 is 2.5 once again. 2 is the left part, half is the right part. 2 is left part, half is right part. How much? Half of the 16 you have to add. Half of 16, that is 8 to be added to 1.
So why half of 16?
Because this fractional value goes to the right part. Right part has got the answer of 1 by 16. 16 is the full value. Full values of is 8. Already you got 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 by 16. You may feel that here there is a steps are more compared to the conventional. But for the understanding purpose I wrote in the step by step. 5 by 5 plus half of 5 and the right part is 1 by 16. Here you will get 25 plus 2.5 means 27. Half once again converted to the right part. Half of 16 means you are getting 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 16. If you once understood the concept, it is easy to do in the one step only. 5 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27. Half of the 16 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 16. Only in single step rather than multiple steps. In this example, there is 8 integer 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 integer 2 by 5. 8 is the full value in the multiplicand, 2 is the full value of the multiplier. 8 plus 2 becomes 10, and in the fractional value 2 by 5 in the both the cases. If this is the case, we are applying the adyamantena antyamantena, first by the first, last by the last, for which usually in the conventional method we are converting 8 integer 2 by 5, you will get the 42 into 12, 504 divided by 25. Actual result is 20 integer 4 by 25. If we apply the adyamantena antyamantena Vedic sutra for this one, 8 2s are 16, add the upper values, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 to be added to the 16, you will get 20, and 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. That means 8 integer 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 integer 2 by 5, you will get 20 integer 4 by 25 in 2 steps rather than total 5 steps run on.
So fraction should be same.
Usually same. It may be, in this case it is 2 by 5.
For using that sutra,
Yes, if we are applying the adyamantena antyamantena, fraction is same.
Okay.
In this case also verify. 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Otherwise by 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Or 4 by 5, 4 by 5. It may be 4 by 5 or 8 by 10. That is reverse. But proportionately it should be in the both the parts. If you are applying this sutra. What to observe other than this one? Other than this one is the full value to be considered. Whether in both the cases are 7 plus 3 or 8 plus 2 or 1 plus 9, 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5. In this example, 7 integer 1 by 5 multiplied by 3 integer 1 by 5. We will go to the only direct Vedic method. What is the value of 7 3s are?
21.
21 plus 2,
1 into 1.
23.
23.
1 1 ja 1 by 25. Whether which one you feel the easy method, whether the conventional one or the Vedic mathematics? That means you have to remember 4 sutras for the mixed fractions. First one is ekadikena purvena, applicable to the fractional value of 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Otherwise antayora dashakepi, where there is a 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 4, etc. In case of anurupena, whatever the proportions, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, or substitute of such one. Adyamantena, antyamantena, any fractions, but the
Integer
left
part.
part should be 10,
10.
100, 1000 like that. Do you feel easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the lesson for the day. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.